So here's all the goodies. After stripping the thing apart, getting the head and block resurfaced, took it down to the machine shop, had them hot tank it, clean it up, redress all the valves, because a couple of these were dished. Probably could have gotten away with not cleaning it up and just putting it all right back in and running it, but you're this far into it, might as well do it the right way. Come on, focus. There you go. So I'm surprised they even had enough left on these to grind. I figured the valve seats on these would be so pounded out there wouldn't be any margin left. But they did a hell of a nice job. And that's all the machine shop. Took all the bolts, marked everything. I like these guys.